Hello students, we have almost completed this chapter, metals and non-metals. Just a few topics are left and I'll cover these topics today. Reactions of metal with acid. Now we are reacting a metal with acid. Metals react with acid to produce hydrogen gas. A metal reacts with acid to produce hydrogen gas. If a matchstick is brought near the mouth of the tube containing the product of the reaction, then we hear a pop sound. Like it is said, metals on reacting with acid produces hydrogen gas. And if we perform this reaction in a test tube and bring a matchstick on the mouth of the test tube, we will see a pop sound. And what is this pop sound? It is the hydrogen gas that burns with the pop sound. That hydrogen gas which liberates after the reaction burns with a pop sound. So we have the example here. Magnesium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid to form magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Here magnesium is reacting with dilute hydrochloric acid HCl and gives us magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Again, copper doesn't react with hydrochloric acid but it reacts with sulfuric acid. Copper reacting with sulfuric acid and giving again what? Hydrogen gas. So metals on reacting with acid gives hydrogen gas. Reactions of metal with bases. Now we are reacting metal with bases. Metal reacts with sodium hydroxide to produce hydrogen gas. Again metals react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a basic acid, is a base and it gives hydrogen gas. Here we have zinc. Zinc is reacting with sodium hydroxide to give sodium zincnate. This is sodium zincnate and again liberating what? Hydrogen gas. Now we have reactions of non-metal with acids. We have seen the reactions of metal with acid. Now we have reactions of non-metal with acids. Non-metal don't react with acids. So the simple thing, non-metals don't react with acid. Why? Why they don't react with acid? Let's see. This is due to the fact that a substance undergoing reaction with acids donates electron to H plus ions produced by the acids. So when a substance reacts with acid, it has to give H plus ions. It has to give electrons to the H plus ions. But non-metals are not donators. They are not donors. They are acceptors. So they don't give any electron to the H plus ions. That's why non-metals don't react with acids. Reactions of non-metal with bases. We have seen the reactions of metal with acid, then reactions of metal with bases. Then we have seen the reactions of non-metal with acid. They don't react. Now the reactions of non-metal with bases. Reactions of non-metals with bases are quite complex. So they are very complex reactions. They react with bases to form salt. Non-metal reacts with base to form salt. Here we have a reaction. Calcium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. The reaction of calcium hydroxide and chlorine gives bleaching powder. So this is, we have calcium hydroxide and chlorine. Calcium hydroxide is a base and chlorine is what? A non-metal. They are reacting to give bleaching powder and liberating water. So guys, our chapter is almost complete. The last topic that is left, I'll cover that in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you.